Did you know that over the last 30 years, thousands of private medical practices have simply vanished? Not because they had bad doctors, not because they didn't have patients, but because they drowned in paperwork. If you run a small practice, you know the enemy isn't the diagnosis. The enemy is denial. We are seeing a mass exodus. To survive, many providers are going cash only or direct pay. While that pays the light bill, it shrinks your soul, limits the patients you can serve, and caps your financial success. The statistics back this up. 20 years ago, 65% of doctors operated in private practice. Today, that number has plummeted to just 40%. Across the United States, over $125 billion are lost annually in healthcare due to billing inefficiencies. It is a staggering number, but for the independent practice owner, it is a daily reality. Let's look at the brutal math. Industry claim denials are running rampant, with the national average sitting between 10 and over 25% in some cases. For a practice with multiple providers, that isn't just a typo. That is a wrecked payroll. They currently cost a practice an average of $70,000 a year per provider just to process insurance billing. What happens when you get a denial? You rework it. That rework cuts into the time you should be seeing patients. You started this practice to be a healer. Instead, you've become a debt collector, a coding auditor, and a compliance officer. The stress of cash flow is stealing the joy of patient care, with physicians losing up to 45 minutes every single day dealing with administrative billing tasks instead of treating patients. Furthermore, there has been a massive 126% surge in coding-related denials across the industry. Every single time you have to fight those denials, it costs your practice over $28 just to rework a claim. When you add up that friction, it's no wonder that 50% of denied claims are simply abandoned and never resubmitted or recovered. You aren't just losing time, you are writing off your own hard-earned revenue. Enough of the gloom. Let me introduce you to the lifeline, True Care Billing. We are not your average billing company that stuffs paper into envelopes. We are a technology-first, high-touch revenue cycle management partner. We leverage cutting-edge technology and automation across every step of our process. While other companies are still chasing paper trails, we use analytics to catch denials before they happen, ensuring you get paid faster, cleaner, and with less friction. We handle the ones and zeros so you can handle the heartbeats. Our performance speaks for itself. We consistently achieve a 95% or higher first pass claim approval rate. We reduce average payment turnaround times to just 15 to 30 days. We touch every single claim multiple times. Here is a hard truth. A single practice cannot afford to hire a dedicated team of coding specialists, denial management experts, and compliance officers. It is financially impossible. But when you partner with True Care Billing, you get that squad anyway. We bring decades of expertise across all specialty types. We do the heavy lifting, absorbing the complexity of insurance contracts so you don't have to write off a single dollar. The RCM, or medical billing process we deliver, is a 17-step process. A few of the key steps in the process are, first, our coding review. Precision starts before a claim ever leaves your office. In the coding review stage, our certified specialists, backed by advanced AI, scrub every diagnosis and procedure code. We don't just check for accuracy, we optimize for compliance, ensuring you are fully reimbursed for the exact care you provided. Next is our quality check. Think of this as our internal firewall. During the quality check, your claims undergo a rigorous secondary audit. We cross-reference payer-specific rules and policy updates in real time. We catch the hidden discrepancies that traditional billing companies miss, ensuring a flawless claim. Then comes claim submission. Timing is everything. With the click of a button, True Care Billing securely transmits your clean claims to insurance clearinghouses. Because of our thorough upfront reviews, our submissions move through the system at lightning speed, accelerating your cash flow velocity by 30% or more. Fourth is rejection correction. In the rare event a clearinghouse flags an issue, we don't wait. Our rejection correction protocol triggers an immediate response. Our automated tracking alerts our team instantly, allowing us to fix and resubmit front-end rejections within hours, not weeks. Our fifth highlighted step is insurance follow-up. We don't play the waiting game. Our insurance follow-up team proactively monitors the journey of every claim. If a carrier stalls or sits on a payment, we step in. We track your aging accounts bucket by bucket, holding insurance companies accountable so your money lands in your bank account faster. Finally, denial management. This is where True Care Billing truly shines. While the industry average shrugs at a 25% denial rate, we fight back. Our dedicated denial management squad analyzes, appeals, and overturns unfair payer decisions. We relentlessly chase down every dollar, squeezing total denials to under 5%. Imagine walking into your office and not worrying about accounts receivable. Imagine taking an extra 5 minutes with a patient just to listen. That is the reality True Care Billing creates. When we do our job right, patient satisfaction skyrockets. Your reputation as a peaceful, high-quality practice spreads. For the average practice, our optimizations lead to an annual revenue gain of $68,000 to over $120,000. Unlike the big box billing mills, our pricing is value-based. It is fair, reasonable, and tied directly to the high value we deliver. We don't lock you into misery. We build long-term relationships based on transparency and results. We succeed only when your practice thrives. We want your financial success to be clearly attributable to the work we do every single day. If you are tired of shrinking, if you are tired of coding headaches, if you are tired of watching insurance companies bully you out of your own passion, visit us at www.truecarebilling.com. Let True Care Billing handle the complexity. You handle the patient care.